Hi friends, welcome to Postal Exams Library. In this video, we are discussing about GDS posts vacancy in Maharashtra Postal Circle completely. ఈ రోజు మన వీడియోలో మహారాష్ట్ర పోస్టల్ సర్కిల్ GDS వేకెన్సీ కోసం కంప్లీట్ గా తెలుసుకుందాం. We have worked very hard to prepare these GDS posts vacancies for all of you. I think we are the first channel, Postal Exam Library, to make a video for GDS vacancy in this GDS notification 2026. ఈ GDS నోటిఫికేషన్ 2026లో GDS వేకెన్సీ కోసం వీడియో తయారు చేసిన మొదటి ఛానల్ పోస్టల్ ఎగ్జామ్ లైబ్రరీ మాదే అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. In this video, GDS vacancy 2026 for Maharashtra Postal Circle has been clearly explained. ఈ వీడియోలో మహారాష్ట్ర పోస్టల్ సర్కిల్ కి సంబంధించి GDS వేకెన్సీ 2026 క్లియర్ గా వివరించడం జరిగింది. If you are eligible for Maharashtra Postal Circle GDS posts, then in this video all divisions GDS vacancy category wise is given in Maharashtra Circle. So, by watching this video, I want you to easily know which division has more posts in Maharashtra Circle and also where are more posts related to your category. Apply there and get easy GDS job. All the best to all from our channel. మీరు గనుక మహారాష్ట్ర పోస్టల్ సర్కిల్ GDS పోస్ట్స్ కి ఎలిజిబుల్ అయి ఉంటే ఈ వీడియోలో మహారాష్ట్ర సర్కిల్లో ఉన్న అన్ని డివిజన్స్ GDS వేకెన్సీ కేటగిరీ వెజ్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో మీరు ఈ వీడియో చూడటం ద్వారా ఈజీగా మహారాష్ట్ర సర్కిల్లోని ఏ డివిజన్లో ఎక్కువ పోస్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అలాగే మీ కేటగిరీ సంబంధించిన పోస్ట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి ఈజీగా తెలుసుకుని అక్కడ అప్లై చేసి ఈ GDS జాబ్ సాధించాలి అని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మా ఛానల్ తరపున అందరికీ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. Friends, small request from my side, if you like our videos please like and share your friends. If you visit first time our channel, for more videos subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. The total number of GDS posts vacancy in Maharashtra Postal Circle is 3553. The total number of GDS posts vacancy in Ahulyanagar division in Maharashtra Circle is 73. Now, let us see GDS vacancy category veg in Ahulyanagar division in Maharashtra Postal Circle. There are 29 vacancies in your category. There are 19 vacancies in OBC category. There are 5 vacancies in SC category. There are 8 vacancies in ST category. There are 8 vacancies in EWS, economically weaker section, category. There is 0 vacancy in PWDA, person with disability, category. There is 0 vacancy in PWD, B category. There is 0 vacancy in PWD, C category. 1. Akola division total posts, 105. Your category 52, OBC category 28, SC category 8, ST category 8, EWS category 8, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 1. 2. Amravati division total posts, 132. Your category 60, OBC category 17, SC category 20, ST category 7, EWS category 24, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 1. 3. Baramati division total posts, 65. Your category 29, OBC category 6, SC category 5, ST category 13, EWS category 9, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 2, PWDC category 1. 4B division total posts, 74. Your category 42, OBC category 19, SC category 2, ST category 7, EWS category 2, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 2. 5. Bhusawal division total posts, 63. Your category 30, OBC category 16, SC category 5, ST category 5, EWS category 5, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 1. 6. Buldana division total posts, 48. Your category 22, OBC category 13, SC category 5, ST category 4, EWS category 3, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 1. 7. Chandrapur division total posts, 325. Your category 139, OBC category 88, SC category 31, ST category 27, EWS category 30, PWDA category 3, PWDB category 4, PWDC category 3. 8. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar division total posts 99. UR category 39, OBC category 27, SC category 10, ST category 9, EWS category 10, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 1. 9. Dharashiv division total posts 84. UR category 34, OBC category 26, SC category 5, ST category 8, EWS category 8, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 0. 10. Dhule division total posts 133. UR category 73, OBC category 5, SC category 11, ST category 0, EWS category 21, PWDA category 5, PWDB category 6, PWDC category 4. 11. Goa division total posts 92. UR category 48, OBC category 15, SC category 0, ST category 14, EWS category 12, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 3, PWDC category 0. 12. Jalgaon division total posts 64. UR category 30, OBC category 7, SC category 9, ST category 8, EWS category 8, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 0. 13. Karad division total posts 86. UR category 34, OBC category 23, SC category 9, ST category 8, EWS category 9, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 2, PWDC category 1. 14. Kolhapur division total posts 108. UR category 43, OBC category 29, SC category 11, ST category 10, EWS category 11, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 2. 15. Malegaon division total posts 80. UR category 31, OBC category 21, SC category 9, ST category 7, EWS category 9, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 1. 16. Mumbai City East division total posts 3. UR category 2, OBC category 1, SC category 0, ST category 0, EWS category 0, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 17. Mumbai City North division total posts 5. UR category 2, OBC category 1, SC category 1, ST category 0, EWS category 1, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 18. Mumbai City Northeast division total posts 10. UR category 7, OBC category 1, SC category 0, ST category 1, EWS category 1, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 19. Mumbai City Northwest division total posts 18. UR category 8, OBC category 5, SC category 2, ST category 1, EWS category 2, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 20. Mumbai City South division total posts 1. UR category 1, OBC category 0, SC category 0, ST category 0, EWS category 0, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 21. Mumbai City West division total posts 4. UR category 1, OBC category 1, SC category 0, ST category 1, EWS category 1, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 22. Mumbai GPO division total posts 1. UR category 1, OBC category 0, SC category 0, ST category 0, EWS category 0, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC category 0. 23. Nagpur City division total posts 8. UR category 6, OBC category 0, SC category 0, ST category 1, EWS category 0, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 0, PWDC Category 1. 24. Nagpur Mofussil Division Total Posts 305. UR Category 136, OBC Category 27, SC Category 77, ST Category 0, EWS Category 53, PWDA Category 0, PWDB Category 7, PWDC Category 5. 25. Nanded Division Total Posts 58. UR Category 27, OBC Category 14, SC Category 9, ST Category 6, EWS Category 1, PWDA Category 0, PWDB Category 0, PWDC Category 1. 26. Nashik Division Total Posts 52. UR Category 23, OBC Category 14, SC Category 4, ST Category 4, EWS Category 5, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 1, PWDC Category 0. 27. Navi Mumbai Division Total Posts 49. UR Category 23, OBC Category 6, SC Category 5, ST Category 6, EWS Category 7, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 1, PWDC Category 0. 28. Palghar Division Total Posts 81. UR Category 33, OBC Category 22, SC Category 9, ST Category 6, EWS Category 8, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 2, PWDC Category 0. 29. Pandharpur Division Total Posts 61. UR Category 24, OBC Category 11, SC Category 9, ST Category 7, EWS Category 8, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 1, PWDC Category 0. 30. Parbhani Division Total Posts 49. UR Category 21, OBC Category 12, SC Category 5, ST Category 4, EWS Category 5, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 0, PWDC Category 1. 31. Pune City East Division Total Posts 30. UR Category 15, OBC Category 6, SC Category 2, ST Category 2, EWS Category 4, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 0, PWDC Category 0. 32. Pune City West Division Total Posts 12. UR Category 5, OBC Category 4, SC Category 1, ST Category 0, EWS Category 2, PWDA Category 0, PWDB Category 0, PWDC Category 0. 33. Pune Mofussil Division Total Posts 131. UR Category 61, OBC Category 27, SC Category 13, ST Category 12, EWS Category 13, PWDA Category 2, PWDB Category 2, PWDC Category 1. 34. Raigad Division Total Posts 136. UR Category 55, OBC Category 35, SC Category 14, ST Category 12, EWS Category 14, PWDA Category 3, PWDB Category 2, PWDC Category 1. 35. Ratnagiri Division Total Posts 218. UR Category 95, OBC Category 57, SC Category 19, ST Category 18, EWS Category 20, PWDA Category 2, PWDB Category 3, PWDC Category 2. 36. RMS BMDN Mirage Total Posts 4. UR Category 1, OBC Category 0, SC Category 1, ST Category 0, EWS Category 1, PWDA Category 0, PWDB Category 1, PWDC Category 0. 37. RMS LDN Bhusawal Total Posts 1. UR Category 1, OBC Category 0, SC Category 0, ST Category 0, EWS Category 0, PWDA Category 0, PWDB Category 0, PWDC Category 0. 38. Sangli Division Total Posts 114. UR Category 50, OBC Category 32, SC Category 10, ST Category 10, EWS Category 9, PWDA Category 0, PWDB Category 0, PWDC Category 3. 39. Satara Division Total Posts 84. UR Category 31, OBC Category 25, SC Category 9, ST Category 8, EWS Category 8, PWDA Category 1, PWDB Category 1, PWDC Category 1. 40. Srirampur Division total posts 74. UR category 31, OBC category 19, SC category 7, ST category 6, EWS category 8, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 1. 41. Sindhudurg Division total posts 100. UR category 40, OBC category 27, SC category 10, ST category 9, EWS category 10, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 2. 42. Solapur Division total posts 67. UR category 30, OBC category 14, SC category 2, ST category 6, EWS category 7, PWDA category 1, PWDB category 3, PWDC category 1. 43. Thane Division total posts 70. UR category 25, OBC category 2, SC category 11, ST category 9, EWS category 17, PWDA category 2, PWDB category 3, PWDC category 1. 44. Wardha Division total posts 83. UR category 25, OBC category 31, SC category 9, ST category 5, EWS category 10, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 2, PWDC category 1. 45. Yautmal Division total posts 93. UR category 39, OBC category 25, SC category 9, ST category 9, EWS category 9, PWDA category 0, PWDB category 1, PWDC category 1. Have you seen friends Maharashtra Circle GDS vacancy division? Wise, I think everyone has understood it clearly. Comment in the comment section which postal circle vacancy you want first in the next video. If more comments come for any circle, we will do it before that circle. చూసారు కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్, మహారాష్ట్ర సర్కిల్ జీడీస్ వేకెన్సీ డివిజన్ విజయ్ అందరికీ క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ముందుగా ఏ పోస్టల్ సర్కిల్ వేకెన్సీ కావాలో కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎక్కువ కామెంట్స్ ఏ సర్కిల్ కోసం వస్తే ఆ సర్కిల్ ముందు చేస్తాం. Friends, small request from my side, if you like our videos, please like and share your friends. If you visit first time our channel for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.